Okay, students, we have a question now. Find the inverse of a matrix A, which is 1, 3, 2, 7, using elementary row transformations. So, since the question is asked like this, we'll have to write the equation. Whenever it is asked row transformation, we must write the equation as A equals to IA. A is equal to I into A, where I is an identity matrix of order same as that of order of matrix A, that is 2 by 2. So I can write it here as I2. So whenever you are having a row operation, row transformations, then we should write matrix A as identity matrix into the A matrix. Now, what is the procedure over here is we have to reduce matrix A to identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Then automatically the transformed identity matrix is going to give you the inverse of A, and A will be written capital A like this only till the last step. So what are the different, let us substitute the matrix A. Matrix A is nothing but 1 3 2 7, and here identity matrix will be 1 0 0 1. A is as it is. Now what things should be focused on? This matrix should be converted into identity matrix. So what is identity matrix? How does identity matrix look like? 1 0 0 1. So it is our aim to convert the first row, first column element as 1, which is already there. This element should be converted to 0. So that can be obtained by applying the operation R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times R1, so that this becomes 0. So with the help of this element, we are making this element 0 using row operation. So that is what we have done like this. R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times R1. Now after operating this, let us see the calculations. 2 changes to, so the first row will be as it is. Here also first row will be as it is. Then here it will be 2 will be changed as 2 changes to 2 minus 2 times 1, that is 2 minus 2, that is 0. Again here 7 changes 7 minus 2 times 3, that is 7 minus 6, 1. So we get 0 1 in place of 2 and 7. So after this transformation, how identity matrix will get converted as 1 0 0 minus 2 times 1, that is minus 2, 1 minus 2 times 0, so as it is, 1 will be as it is because there is no effect on 1 due to 0. Next operation, we are talking about R1. Why? Because 1 0 1 we have already obtained. Now our aim is to make this as 0, this element. So this is our primary focus. Accordingly, we will, whatever changes we have got, that will be later on will be deciding the A inverse. So R1 changes to R1 minus 3 times R2, so that 3 will become 0. So with the help of, with the reference, we have seen that R1 changes to R1 minus 3 times R2, 1 0 0 1. So 1 minus 3 times 0 will be as it is 1. 3 minus 3 times 1 will be 0. And this second row will be as it is. Similarly here, 1 minus 3 times minus 2, that is 1 plus 6, that is 7. 0 minus 3 times 1, that is minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 will be, minus 2 1 will be as it is. Hence, we say that this identity matrix, according to definition of A inverse, if A into B is identity matrix, then this particular matrix, this B matrix, is the inverse of A. Hence A inverse, denoted by A inverse like this, should be this matrix only. So this is your required inverse. So like this we have found A inverse using elementary row operations. We'll do the same question using elementary column operations. Just focus, note it down and try to practice. And then we will go for 3 by 3 matrix. Okay children.